Ooh. Hey everybody, welcome to
the best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs
and a knife.
Ding, ding.
And
we're going Greek today.
We are.
We're going Greek today. Everyone loves Spanakopita. It's one of those things. Like,
yes.
Give me some Spanakopitas.
Yes. Yes.
But we're gonna do like a little fun take on a Spanakopita today. We're gonna give you like a showstopper. So yeah, we're just gonna make like a shareable, larger Spanakopita instead of your traditional little normal happy size.
Yeah. So we're gonna do kind of like a dip inside a puff pastry. So I'm gonna just put this through the RoboCoupe to make a whipped feta. That was trending back in 2022. So we're gonna bring it back.
We're bringing it back, whipped feta.
So we don't want it too loose. So I'm not gonna put any liquid. I'm just gonna let this go on its own. Just let it go. It's gonna eventually all whip together. I'm whipping it.
Are you whipping it good?
I'm whipping it good. And whip it. We're gonna whip it real good.
When your feta's getting hard, you must whip it. If it's still not too soft, you must whip it.
Oh, it's so stiff. That's what she said. This is the consistency that you would like, alright?
Alright.
Okay, what are you doing?
We're gonna just give the spinach a little quick wilt. So we're gonna put a little water just to create the steam. Now we're gonna hit it with some spinach. So we're just wilting this down.
You could just put a lid on this too.
Yeah. All right, so now that it's starting to wilt, we're gonna give it a little bit of seasoning. We got some salt, and we got the pepper. Okay, that's good enough. It's gonna get residual heat. Put it back in the bowl. Spinach.
So we have some sauteed onions, some wilted spinach. We're gonna cool this down completely, and our whipped feta.
So with spinach ready here, we're gonna season it with a little bit of garlic powder.
Why are we using garlic powder?
Well, because I'm gonna bake it in a puff dough, so it just takes away some of the moisture.
Oh, I just thought that we used it all and didn't save any for this recipe.
And we used all the other fresh garlic in the last 2 recipes we did today. So there we go. So I saw this on Instagram. Don't know who the content provider was that did it. I don't remember. Couldn't look at the thing, but I thought it was really cool. They did it as a baked brie. So my idea was to do the same concept as a baked Spanakopita. So
look here.
God, why don't we always look at
I
that
don't
side?
know. There's no lens there.
So we're gonna take our whipped feta. We're gonna make a puck right in the middle, like so. We are gonna take our egg wash. We're gonna wash the whole thing. Don't worry, you're gonna see this is gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be magic in front of your eyes. I'd say call me David Copperfield, but he's on the list, so you can't use that.
You cannot say.
Okay, so then we're gonna take our spinach. We're gonna wring it out. So we're gonna spread the spinach out around the feta, and then we're gonna add our sauteed onions to the spinach. All right. And so then we're gonna take another sheet of puff. We're gonna roll this one a little flatter. Not too much, just a tiny bit. Just to make it a little bit bigger than the bottom one. There we go. So we're gonna pick it up, and we're gonna lay it right on top. Just like so. And over here, because we put that egg wash, you wanna go around and seal in that feta. Create a nice barrier so that feta will not leak out or it'll sit. And then the rest you can push it down. Just like so. And then we're gonna take our knife and we're gonna round it to where you see the filling is. Just kind of round it out. Doesn't have to be perfect.
It's like a big donut.
Big donut. Take away this, you don't need it. And then we're gonna cut. So now that's a little rounded, we're gonna cut these little notches. Don't go all the way to where you sealed it. There you go. And then we're just gonna take these, I'm just gonna grab it, and give it a little twist. Then we're gonna egg wash it all, give it that nice golden crust. With a little bit of salt and pepper on top of the pastry. All right, that's it. And then we're gonna bake this in a 375 degree oven.
We don't know how long yet. What, 20 minutes or so?
Yeah, we're gonna go 20 minutes. Okay, so our 20 minutes are up.
Wow.
Now you break this off and you dip.
Here
Here comes the sun.
My mic broke.
So now you just break off a stem or
Yes.
a ray of sun and dip it.
Yes.
Hey, how did you get yours to break off? There we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's gonna be hot.
It's good.
Tastes like a Spanakopita.
Oh my god.
That is fantastic. The spinach with the onion pastry.
It's so good. It's very good.
Did we just Spanakopita?
Yep.